Good afternoon, students. Am I audible? Only three still: Pavan, Roja, Sucharita. Am I audible, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody is having class or what? Still only three members? Where are others? I hope they are not having class at this time. Shall we wait 3 more minutes? Let them join. So only three members means
Thanks. Bye.
Shall we start, students? Still only five members. Otherwise, beginning itself, I'll take class if you are doing like this means. After that, if they join means I will not give attendance. Yes, students, I'll start. I can't wait still a few more minutes because already it's 3:10, right? So in last class, we discussed limit of a function, continuity and differentiability of a function. Any one of you, can you define what's the continuity? What's the continuity? Or when we say that the function is continuous? Otherwise, just to tell me now, I don't want proper definition. So just I will check the continuity of a function, because the any question based on this module means definitely it will be based on limit or continuity or differentiability. Only these three possibilities. After that, it may be some maximum, minimum means that also will includes derivative only, but it's not what is that regarding limit, right? So how will check the continuity of a function? Anybody? First of all, strength is very less. So because of that reason, in last week they put somebody put message we have class like that. They put, that's why they extended 2 to 3. They postponed. Even though 3 to 5 also you are not ready to attend, means then what's the use of taking class? Simply 4, 5 coming and attending means. And you are not ready to open your mouth also. Just for the sake of attendance you are coming, or what? You tell in your own sentences, no need to tell proper definition. How you will check the what's that continuity of a function? Anybody? If you are not ready to open your mouth itself, means then what's the use of attending classes? Simply it will be waste of time only, right? You should have interest and then attend, then only you will get the things. Otherwise, simply for the sake of attendance or something means no use only. Kirtana? How will check the continuity of a function? Students, am I audible? I'm getting confusion whether my voice is audible to you or not. Voice is breaking. Is it clear now? I think I have a good connection only. Others, am I audible clearly? Harshita? Is it my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Kirtana, I think yours only network problem. So you are not remembered, nobody remembered as even a little bit also from the last class, previous class. Anything if you remember, just to tell me, I will be happy, at least if you are telling some points means. Otherwise, simply if I am one-way teaching means, then it will be no use only. Just to take one, whatever you want, you remember that thing, you tell me, at least. Because you are not ready to tell my answers to my questions. Pawan?
Yes, sir.
So what you remembered from the last class? At least you tell me whatever we discussed the last class in last class.
L'Hospital rule.
Yeah, L'Hospital rule, right?
Sandwich theorem.
Sandwich theorem, good. Next.
Continuity of a function.
Continuity of a function, right?
That much I know, sir.
Okay. So any one of you, can you tell me when we have to use the L'Hospital rule? Where we have to use the L'Hospital rule? Yes. In what situations we will use the L'Hospital rule? Vignesh?
Sir,
So what is the use of studying L'Hospital rule? In which case we will use the L'Hospital rule? What it says L'Hospital rule first? What it says L'Hospital rule? Nothing you remembered, huh?
Differentiating numerator denominator separately, sir.
Differentiating numerator denominator separately, right? So in
Yes, sir.
cases you have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately.
Sir,
In which case, in which situation you have to differentiate like that, numerator, denominator separately? Actually, because, so we know that derivative of u by v formula we know, right? So the same thing you can't apply for in every situation. In some particular situation only you should apply the L'Hospital rule, right? So what situation you have to apply that thing?
limit extends to 0, sir.
So you should tell whenever you are going to find out the limit, if it is in the form 0 by 0 form, no need to extend to 0. Whenever it's in the form indeterminate form like infinity by infinity or 0 by 0 form, so in that case you have to differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. So if you are differentiating the numerator and denominator separately, you have to continue that process till get this some particular limit. It may be 0 or infinite, it may be finite or infinite. The thing should be, it should not be, what's that, indeterminate form. Indeterminate forms are 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. So those are nothing but the indeterminate form. 0 into infinity is nothing but indeterminate form. Infinity into 0 also is in indeterminate form. So you have to remove that indeterminate form. For removing the indeterminate form, you usually will use the L'Hospital rule. So while finding the continuity, you will use apply, what's that, you will use limit, as well as while finding the derivative also will use the limits. So that's why, so that L'Hospital rules rule plays a crucial role while finding the limit of a function, continuity of a, checking the continuity of a function and differentiability of a function, right? Next, so just I'll mention some few some standard problems just to tell me whether it is continuous or differentiable. Just to tell me, okay? So mod x, is it continuous? Modulus of x function, f of x equals mod x. Is it continuous? F of x equals mod x. Is it continuous, students? Mod x function. Is it continuous or not? If you are not ready to tell anything, means even simple questions also, if you are not ready to answer, means, so simply I have to explain. Instead of simply explaining, I can put the videos, right? Continuous. Yes, correct. Is it differentiable, Harshita? You can unmute and talk. So here so many only, it will not be disturbed to anybody. You don't think it will disturb to somebody, and even if you are telling a wrong answer also, no problem. Just unmute and tell, no need to put message. In case if you are facing a network issue, in that case you put message. Is it differentiable? F of x equals mod x.
No, sir.
F of x is not differentiable. At which function it is not differentiable? At which point?
Modulus of x.
Yes, modulus of x. At which point it is not differentiable?
Sharp point.
Rishita, your voice is not clear. Anybody else? At which point it's not differentiable? Arshita, you put message only. Sharp point. So which will be the sharp point for the function mod x? Which will be the sharp point? Sharp edge. At which point it will be sharp? At origin, right? So definitely the function is not differentiable at the origin. Apart from f of x equals, what is that? At x equals 0, the function is differentiable everywhere. So now just I'll take one more example. F of x equals modulus of x minus 2. Is it differentiable? Is it differentiable? Others, even if you are telling wrong answer also, no problem. Okay, here nobody, what's that? All are your friends only. Whatever you understood, that thing you should express. Then only I'll come to know how much you understood. If you are not ready to open your mouth, only means I will not come to know how much, whether you are getting or not. For what purpose you are attending class? Simply for the purpose of, what is that, sake of attendance. Huh? Roja, am I audible to you, Roja?
Yes, sir.
At which point the function f of x equals mod of x minus 2 is not different? Is it differentiable first? F of x equals modulus of x minus 2. I think you are not comfortable with the, what is that, online mode, huh? Or you are not ready to prepare. Is it differentiable, the function f of x equals modulus of x minus 2? Anybody else? Suhas, is it differentiable?
Don't know, sir.
Yes, tell Suhas.
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. You attended last class or what? Last
No, sir. I wasn't
absent,
there in the
huh?
last class. Yeah.
Anybody, do you know, is it function differentiable or not, the function modulus of x minus 2? So mod x, at which point it is not differentiable? At the point r is in, right? So the function modulus of x minus 2 will become, modulus of x minus 2 will become, it will be like function this. So it will intersect the y-axis at x equals 2. At y equals 2. So that means the function is not differentiable at x equals 2 because it's having, what is this? It's having sharp edge at the point x equals 2. That's why it will not be differentiable at the point x equals 2. Okay. So just I'll solve few more problems based on this limit, how to find out the limit, how to apply that L'Hospital rule, in which cases you have to apply. So because I already told, if you solve few more problems based on that, means you'll come to know how to apply that one and in which cases you have to apply the L'Hospital rule. So just based on limits, I'm going to solve few problems. So just you note on the first problem. Limit as x tends to 0, x into e power x minus 1 plus 2 times cos x minus 1 by x of 1 minus cos x. So can you tell me what will be the limit of this function? So based on previous year papers, I picked a few problems. Okay. So these are important only because these are the previous year question papers questions. So what will be the limit of this one? If you put x equals 0, what it will become? So the first term will become 0, right? First term will become 0, and what's the value of cos 0? What's the value of cos 0? What's the value of cos 0?
1, sir.
1. So that means, so e power 0 is 1. So here, so 1 minus 1 means this will be 0. E power x minus 1, this will be 0. Also here cos 0 means 1. So that means the whole thing will be 0 in the numerator as well as in the denominator also it will be 0. So now 0 by 0 form means, so this is indeterminate form. So if you can't apply the limit at this stage without manipulating the function, right? So if you want to manipulate the function means then you have to apply the L'Hospital rule. So what it says, L'Hospital rule, whenever it's in the indeterminate form, so in that case you have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately with respect to the independent variable. So here x will become independent variable. So limit as x tends to 0, just you have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So here x into e power x minus 1 means you have to apply UV rule. X into derivative of e power x minus 1 will become e power x plus e power x minus 1 into derivative of x will become 1 plus derivative of 2 is constant and derivative of cos x is minus sin x and derivative of 1 is 0 divided by. So now you have to apply UV rule once again in the denominator. X into derivative of minus cos x will become sin x plus of 1 minus cos x into derivative of x will become 1. So now you check by putting x equals 0, is it indeterminate form is removed or not? Okay, so just if you put x equals 0 means it will become once again 0 into 1 means the first term will be 0 plus e power x minus 1. E power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1, once again it will be 0 plus 2 into sine 0 is 0. So the whole thing in the numerator it is 0. So now you check the denominator. So 0 into sine 0, that is also 0, 0 plus 1 minus cos 0 means it will be 1 minus 1, it will be also be 0. So that means once again you are getting the indeterminate form 0 by 0 form. So in case if the indeterminate form is not removed means or is not eliminated means once again you have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. That is nothing but you have to apply the LHospital rule again to the. So now just you apply the once again differentiation to the numerator and denominator. So x into e power x means you have to apply the UV rule. Derivative of e power x.
అంటే
E power x.
గేట్ ఎగ్జామ్ కి రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కంపల్సరీగా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ఎగ్జామ్ ಬರೆಯೋಕೆ
Hey Varun, to whom you are talking, man? Varun.
ఆయా మాది
So this is the reason. So simply for the sake of attendance, he joined class and he is not ready to. He is not listening here also. Somewhere he is speaking. He don't know whether his mic is unmuted or muted. That thing also he don't know. Really, like this means it's disgusting. It's very difficult to manage if you are not ready to listen means. Okay, come to the point. So here you have to differentiate again. You have to apply the UV rule for the first term. X into derivative of e power x is e power x plus e power x into derivative of x, that is 1. Now second term e power x minus 1. The derivative of e power x is e power x and derivative of 1 is 0. Minus 2 sin x is there. So that means minus 2 into derivative of sin x will become cos x by denominator x sin x. So that means you have to apply UV rule. X into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x into derivative of x is 1 plus the derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin is there, so that means it will become plus sin x. So now you put x equals 0, then what you will get? The first term is 0, second term 1 plus 1 is 2. So e power 0, 1, 1 is 2. Minus 2 into cos 0 means it will become 2 minus 2. Denominator also 0. So that means once again it is 0 by 0 form. So still indeterminate form is not removed. So once again you apply the LHospital rule. Limit as x tends to 0. X e power x means it will become x e power x plus e power x plus derivative of e power x is e power x again, and third term e power x, that's also e power x minus 2 cos x. The derivative of this one will become plus 2 sin x. So because the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, whole divided by x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of sin x is cos x plus derivative of sin x is cos x, which is equals to, now you apply the limit. As x tends to 0, the first term will become 0 plus second term, third term, fourth term will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin x. So that means 2 into 0 divided by, so first term will be 0, remaining thing cos 0 is 1, 1, 1 means it will be 3. So which is equals to 3 by 3, which is equals to 1. So 1 is the required limit of the given function. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just to note down next problem. So based on this, I'll solve few problems, then you'll come to know. Limit as x tends to infinity. Limit as x tends to infinity. Sin x by x. What will be the limit of this one? What will be the limit? So we know limit as x tends to 0, sin x by x. So what's the value of this limit? Standard limit? What's the value of this one?
0.
0. 0 or 1. So even you can apply LHospital rule, right? So it will be in the 0 by 0 form. If you differentiate means derivative of cos x and derivative of x is 1. Cos 0 will become 1. So that means the standard limit as x tends to 0, sin x by x will become 1. So now what about limit as x tends to infinity, sin x by x? What will be the value of this limit? So if you put infinity means, what's the value of sin infinity?
1.
1. Are you sure? Without knowing the infinity value, how you will tell sin infinity is 1? What is the range of the function sine function? What is the range? What are the maximum and minimum values of the function infinity? What is that sine function?
-1 and 1.
-1 and 1, right? So here infinity means we don't know exactly what's the value. So that means you can write this one as 1 by x into sin x. Limit as x tends to infinity, right? So now 1 by x means it will become 1 by infinity into sin infinity. So that means it will lies in the point, either it will be what's that plus or minus 1 we can write, or we can take the range itself as -1 comma 1. So if you are multiplying by 1 by infinity means what is the value of 1 by infinity? 0. 0 into any non-other constant means it will be 0 itself, right? So as x tends to infinity, sin x by x will be equals to 0. Whenever as x tends to 0, the value will become 1. So if x tends to infinity, then it will become 0. So next one, limit as x tends to 0, 1 by sin x minus 1 by tan x. So just to find out the limit of this one, in case if possible you apply the LHospital rule. If you are getting the indeterminate form means, otherwise without applying that one you can find out the limit. Just to try this one. Anybody got the answer? Once if you get the answer, just to tell me. We can cross check that answer and we can move on to next problem. In case if your connection is not good, means just you put message what's that answer. I'll see and conclude. Anybody got the answer? Only one step, it's enough. No need to take much time for this question itself. Yes. Nobody is getting answer. Kirtana? What we can write in place of tan x? Anybody? In place of tan x?
Sin by cos, sir.
Sin by cos. If you written one sin by cos means, so denominator means you can write into numerator, right? So that will become cos x by sin x. Is it right? Cos x by sin x. Or you can write this 1 by tan x as cot x, and we know that cot x means it will become cos x by sin x. Is it right? So just like 1 by sin x as it is, you note down, and tan x we can write this one as cos x by sin x by cos x. So now you shift this cos x to numerator, then it will become 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x. So now in both the terms, sin x is common, right, in LCM. So this should take LCM as 1 by sin x, but the sin x, then it will become 1 minus cos x by sin x. So now if you put x tends to 0, if you put x equals 0 means this will become 1 minus 1 by 0. That will become 0 by 0, that is indeterminate form. So you have to apply UV rule. So differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Limit as x tends to 0. The derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cos x is sin x. Minus sin x, minus sin is there. So that's why it will become sin x by, and derivative of sin x is cos x. So now you put limit, put x equals 0. This will become sin 0. That is 0, 0 by 1. So what's the value of 0 by 1? What's the value? 0 by 1? What's the value of 0? 0 by 1?
0 only, sir.
0 only. That thing also you are not ready to tell why any plates you have taken. We should not respond to him. Otherwise, he will ask more questions if you are responding to him means. If nobody is responding means after some time he will stop. You have discussed yourself like that in your team. So just to note down next one. Limit as x tends to infinity. Limit as x tends to infinity. tan hyperbolic x by x. Tan hyperbolic infinity is infinity, just to keep it in your mind. So that means it will be indeterminate form. Simplify that one and tell me answer. What's the answer? Anybody got the answer? At least last week you were responding, so at least you are not responding also. Have you got the answer or not, guys? Swas, maybe one. You are not sure about your answer. Okay, I'll tell the method. So first you have to check. So tan hyperbolic x means the derivative of tan hyperbolic x is what? Limit as x tends to infinity. Limit as x tends to infinity. The derivative of tan hyperbolic x is?
Sir, 1, sir.
I'll check. I'm going to check.
Okay.
Second hyperbolic square x by derivative of x means it will be 1. Right. So now second hyperbolic, in case if you know g, what's the cos hyperbolic g infinity, you can substitute. Otherwise, we can write this one as 1 by limit as x tends to infinity. Limit as x tends to infinity, 1 by cos hyperbolic square x. So because these are the two reciprocal functions. So now cos hyperbolic x means we know that we can write this one as limit as x tends to infinity 1 by e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So now you can put x equals infinity. If you put x equals infinity means it will become so 1 by so e power infinity plus e power minus infinity. So these two you can cross into multiply into numerator. You can shift into numerator. So now you have to decide what's the value of e power infinity and e power minus infinity. What's the value of e power infinity? What's the value of e power infinity? Anybody? What's the value of e power infinity? Pawan?
Maybe 0, sir, I think.
E power infinity is 0. Kirtana? Kirtana, what's the value of e power infinity?
1, sir. 1.
Not 1, man. That's the exponential function. If you put infinity means it will go to infinity only. E power infinity is infinity and e power minus infinity is 0. So that means it will become 1 by infinity plus or 2 by infinity plus 0. 2 by anything by infinity means what? It will be 0 again. So the final answer will become 0. Exponential function, how many times you have used? So just to try this one, limit as x tends to infinity, x cube minus cos x by x square plus sin x. So just to tell me what will be the limit of this one. It should not be in the internet far. Apart from that, anything, whatever you will get, you can tell that answer. Vignesh, you are facing any network issue?
Sir, yes, sir. And we have this one placement meeting also, sir.
What, Vignesh?
Sir, placement meeting also we have, sir, today, 4 o'clock.
Is it?
Yeah, sir. Till now we was having one more class, sir, actually.
Okay.
I don't know, sir, like how many, like how we can attend.
No, for that purpose only they extend, what's that, postponed to 3 o'clock.
No, actually the meeting is from 4 to 5, sir.
Okay, okay. Why, Arshita? You have placement. If all are having means you speak with your, what's that, coordinator. I don't have any information regarding that. Yes? Anybody saw it? So infinity is there, you have to put x equals infinity.
Yes, sir.
So just to take x cube outside from the numerator, limit as x tends to infinity. If you took x cube outside means it will become 1 minus cos x by x cube. Whole divided by. So here we can take x square outside, then it will become 1 plus
Sin x by
x square. So now you can cancel x square. The remaining thing will be
X.
numerator x will be there. So we know that anything by infinity means this will be 0. This will be 0. If you put x equals infinity means this will be 0, this will be 0. So the only thing is infinity into anything means it will be infinity. So the final answer will be infinity. Is it
Sir,
clear?
it will be infinity, sir. It will be X, sir.
X as x tends to infinity. That means you have to put x.
Yeah, okay, sir. Even now, okay, sir.
Okay. So just
Infinity.
on the next problem. So next one is simple only. Limit as x tends to 0. X minus sine 2x by x plus sine 3x.
Here also you can take X as common, sir.
X as common, okay. Then remaining thing,
So
what it will become? Here x is 0.
yes, sir.
Means you can't cross out xx.
XSS, sir. So sine sine 0 will be 0.
Sine 0 also 0.
0, sir. Answer.
0. So you will get 0 by 0 form, right?
Yes, sir.
So 0 by 0 means it's not 0. It is indeterminate form.
Yes, sir. We have to differentiate numerator.
Yeah, you have to apply L'Hospital rule. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Limit of x tends to 0. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of sine 2x is what? 2 cos 2x. And derivative of x is 1. Derivative of sine 3x is 3
3 cos 3.
cos 3. So now you apply the limit. Just to check, 1 minus 2 into cos 0 is 1 only. 1
2.
plus 3. So which is equal to minus 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Okay, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So next one, limit as x tends to 1. X square minus 1 by x minus 1. What will be the limit of this one?
1. Sir, once again we have to use the L'Hospital rule, sir.
Yes, L'Hospital rule.
So
you
if
apply.
we
After that, in
differentiate,
case if it is
differentiate numerator means 2x.
final answer, you tell me.
2, sir.
The final
Yes, sir. 2,
answer
sir.
will be 2. Yes, correct.
2, sir.
I think slowly you are coming into track. Next one, limit as x tends to 0. Limit as x tends to 0. 1 by 10. 1 minus e power minus 5jx by 1 minus e power minus jx. What will be the limit of this one? L'Hospital rule. So here, first of all, 1 by 10 is constant. You can take it out. Limit as x tends to 0. Limit as x tends to 0. The derivative of this one, the derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of e power minus 5j x. It will become minus 5j into e power x. Into derivative of e power x is a e power x, right? So it will become 5j e power minus 5j x by the derivative of denominator is minus j, minus will become plus j e power minus jx. So now jj you can cancel. So now you apply limit as x tends to 0. It will become 1 by 10 into 5 into 1 numerator and denominator 1. So it will become 5 by 10.
0.5, sir.
5.
2. Yeah. 0.2.
0.5, right? 1/2 or 0.5,
0.5.
right?
Yes, sir.
Just note next problem. Limit as x tends to infinity. 1 minus a power 4 by x power 4. So this was asked in civil engineering GATE exam 2000, year 2000.
Sir, here we have to keep A as something, sir.
What, Vignesh?
Here A we have to consider as something, sir. Or else-
Constant. So 1 minus a power 4 means this is constant only. As x tends to infinity, what it will become? Something by infinity. 1 minus a power 4 by infinity. Anything by infinity means what?
Sir, 0, sir.
0. This is the required limit. So one more question which was asked in mechanical 2006 GATE exam. Limit as x tends to 3. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 by 5x square minus 12x minus 9.
Like, so numerator will become 0, sir.
Numerator also 0, denominator also
Yeah.
0.
So once again we have to use the Taylor rule, sir.
L'Hospital rule you have to apply. Right.
So 4x plus minus 7
Yeah.
divided by 10x minus 12.
Yeah, right. So after that put x equal to 3.
12 minus 7, 5.
Tejaswini, you are from which department? No voice. Mamata?
EC, sir.
Okay.
So 5 by 18, sir.
5 by 18, right. Others? Is it 5 by 18?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one. So which was asked in civil engineering 2005 GATE exam. So question is limit as x tends to 0. 1 minus cos 2x by x square. So 2005, they asked this question in civil engineering GATE exam. Yes, what's the answer? Kirtana? Kirtana, are you busy with something or what?
Sir,
Yes?
sure, sir. Limit extends.
Yes, Vignesh?
No, sir. So once again, we have to apply this one, sir.
Yeah, El Hospital rule you have to apply. After applying, you tell me final answer, what you.
Okay, okay.
So just to put message, Kirtan, at least if you solved means. Yes, Pawan?
Sir, maybe 5 by 2.
5 by 2, not right. 5, how you will get 5, man? Derivative of 1 is 0, right? Pawan? Derivative of 1 as it is, you know down, huh?
Two, sir.
2 is the right answer. Only 4 guys left, huh? Oh, 4 guys are here. You are also having what's that placement thing, no, Vignesh?
No, sir. I asked, sir. Actually, that is HOD meeting, sir.
Okay, okay,
Regarding some projects, I didn't attend, sir. It's okay, sir.
okay. Others got it? Is it answer 2? Pawan?
Yes, sir. Two, sir. Two, sir.
Yeah, 2. Okay. So next, I'll do one more last problem from this. Limit as n tends to infinity. Limit as n tends to infinity. N power 1 by n. What will be the limit of this one?
One, sir.
1, na? How you found it? Just to tell me.
Sir, 1 by
Standard
1
limit,
by
right?
any infinity is 0, sir. So anything to the power 0 is 1.
But infinity power 0 is not a 1. Anything power 0 is 1. That anything should be finite. Then only you can say. Actually, if you remember the standard limit means you can say this is limit as n tends to infinity. N power 1 by n is 1. Okay. So this is the standard limit. So based on this, one more I'll give. So then you'll come to know how we can solve this one. Otherwise, I'll tell the method how to solve this one. So just to take the another one. So because this is the standard one, the answer will be 1. Limit as x tends to a, x minus a over x minus a. What will be the value of this one?
Yeah, sir.
How much? A. I will get a.
Yes, sir. Yes, wait 1 minute.
So this is the another form. Whenever you will get infinity power 0 or 0 power infinity or 0 power 0. So in these cases, these are the also indeterminate form only. So in this case, you have to apply the ln on both sides. Just to take this one as some y. So now you apply ln on both sides. Then it will become limit as x tends to a. So ln m power k, that is k into ln m, right? So we can write this one as x minus a into ln x minus a, which is equals to ln y. So now you apply the limit. So it will become as x tends to a, this will become 0, right? 0 equals ln y. Is it right? So ln y equals 0 means actually we have to find out the value of y. Y equals e power 0. So that will be 1. So this is the required answer. Whenever you will get the limit in the form function infinity power 0, 0 power infinity and 0 power 0 means you have to apply ln on both sides by taking that function as some function, the given limit. After that, you have to apply limit on both sides. Okay. So the same thing even you can apply for this one also. If you apply the limit on both sides means this one. So just to take this one as y. So then it will become 1 by n into ln n, which is equals to some ln y. Okay, as n tends to infinity, ln infinity by 1 by n. So that means it will become what's that indeterminate form once again. So just you have to differentiate this one again, 1 by n, and derivative of 1 by n will become minus 1 by n square. So now if you put what's that limit as n tends to infinity means it will become 0. So as if ln y equals to 0,
0 is
so
ln
you have to
y.
write y equals
Y
e
is
power 0, which is equals to 1. So like this you can find out whenever it's in the form infinity power 0 or 0 power infinity or 0 power 0, in that case you have to solve like this. Okay. I'll open the next concept. I think we are not solved all the questions based on that concepts. Shall we continue discussion? Only 4 are
Yes,
there.
sir.
Shall we continue?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Kirtana, Mamata? Okay, fine. I don't know how many problems got over in last week, so just I'll open that PDF. So just to tell me how many problems over, then we can continue.
Sir, today 14 sons, sir.
Today's 14, huh?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not asking today. That day we solved few problems, right? Last week. I think this one over, right? Existence of function, this one over. So these also over. And cos mod x, I think this one.
Yes,
Is this function over?
Sir, our screen is not visible, sir.
Not visible. Huh?
No, sir.
Is it visible now?
1 minute, sir.
Is it visible?
No, sir. No, sir.
Is it over this problem?
Yes, sir. That sum was over, sir.
Okay. Next one, e power 2x minus 1 log of 1 plus x. So just to confirm me, is it over or not? In case if it is over means I'll move on to next problem. Okay, you start from here. Evaluate limit as x tends to 0 e power 2x minus 1 by log of 1 plus x. So I think you can solve this one easily because we solved so many problems based on this, what is that, finding the limit. So just
Sir,
to
the screen now is not visible, sir.
screen.
Screen is not like visible, sir.
No, it's visible, Vignesh, even it's in, what is that, smart board also it's visible. Just to check your connection. Others, is it visible others?
Visible, sir.
Okay, Vignesh, you check your connection better.
Okay, sir. I will log in once again.
Okay. So just to tell me what is the answer for this one?
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Yeah. Once you complete the answer, just to tell me. Mamata, are you doing? Mamata BS.
Sir, the eighth one is 0, sir.
810, not right. How it will be 0? Just to check once.
Sir.
So if you put 0 means it will be denominator log 1, right? What is the value of log 1? What is the value of log 1?
0, sir.
Then it will become 0 by 0, indeterminate form, right? So that means you have to apply L'Hospital rule. Apply the L'Hospital rule and then you check whether it is indeterminate form is eliminated or not. In case if it is eliminated, then you find out the required value. That will become our required answer. 4 is not right, Kirtana. Once you check it properly. Oh, you got 4. You double time differentiate. Huh? I think one time differentiation is enough.
2, sir.
2 is the right answer. So just I'll do this problem. You help me to write down the problem. What's that? Limit as x tends to 0, right?
E power 2x minus 1.
1 minute. Limit as x tends to 0. E power 2x minus 1 by
Divided by log 1 minus x.
1 minus x.
1 plus x.
Okay. So now if you put x equals 0 means it will be 1
Power 0.
by
1 minus 1.
ln 1. Right. So ln 1 is 0. That means it will be 0 by 0. Indeterminate form. You have to eliminate the indeterminate form. Differentiate this one separately with respect to numerator and denominator separately with respect to x. Derivative of e power 2x is 2e power 2x. Right. So and what about derivative of
Ln
ln of 1 plus x?
1 by 1 plus x.
1 by 1 plus x. Right. So now you can shift this denominator into numerator. Limit as x tends to 0, which can be written as limit as x tends to 0, 1 plus x into 2e power 2x. I think it's not in what is that indeterminate form now, right? So as x tends to 0, it will become 1 plus 0 into 2 into e power 0, which is equals to 2 into 1, which is equals to 2. I think Kirtana, you made mistake. You differentiate twice. I think that's why you got 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, limit as x tends to 0, 1 by sin x minus 1 by x. 1 by sin 0 means infinity minus infinity. Infinity minus infinity means it will be indeterminate form.
So 1, sir.
1, I think it will be right. 1. Others? One, just to check, is it right or not? Others, is it right? 1. Pavan?
I think it's 0, sir.
0. Kirtana, your answer? Mamata, I am not responding only. One. 2 answers. Kirtana and Vignesh answer 1 and Pavan 0. So let's check this one. Okay. So 1 by sin x minus 1 by x function. limit as x tends to 0, 1 by sin x minus 1 by x. Okay, so if you put 0 means it will become infinity minus infinity. So just I will manipulate this one. Limit as x tends to 0, x minus sin x by x sin x. Okay, so now once again if you put 0 means definitely it will become indeterminate form only. So that's why I'll differentiate this one with respect to x. Limit as x tends to 0. The derivative of x minus sin x means it will become 1 minus cos x by. So x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x into derivative of x is 1. So now if you put x equals 0 means it will be 0 by 0 form. Once again you differentiate. Limit as x tends to 0. Derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. It will become sin x. Sin x by, I think 0 is the right answer. X cos x means it will become minus x sin x plus cos x plus cos x. So if you put x equals 0 means it will be 0.2 which is equals to 0. Where you made mistake, Vignesh?
Starting only, sir. Sorry, sir.
Starting only. Okay. Kirtana, you? Why you got it as 1? So just you see where you made mistake, you have to wrong question. Okay. So 2 more problems we can discuss. After that I'll end.
Okay, sir.
The function f of x equals cos x for x greater than or equal to 0 and minus cos x for x less than equal to x less than 0. We have to check continuity of this function at the point pi by 4 and then pi by 8. Okay. For all x other than pi by 4, first option, second option continuous for all x other than 0 and continuous for all x other than pi by 8. Wherever what's that function is splitted, actually the discontinuous point will be at the splitting point. In
Then at 0, sir.
reality, it will be continuous. So that means you have to check only at the point 0. That's enough.
Okay, sir.
But you can't, what's that, directly you can't conclude. You have to check at the point 0. By checking that one, you can remove these two options. A and C option you can remove. Only you have to decide from the B and D option. If it is not continuous at 0 means it will be B option will be right. Otherwise, none of these. Anybody got the answer? So just to check at the point x equals 0, at the point if it is continuous, then D will be right option. If it is not continuous, then B will be right option. By the time I will take the attendance also, it's very easy to take attendance if it is like this mean situation. Mamata, you are from which department? Mamata, now also you are not responding means you will be absent only. Mamata, are you there? Pawan Kalyana, your name?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Pawan Kalyan M, sir.
Okay, right. Mamata, she is from which department? Mamata?
Sir, you will do this sum, sir.
Okay, I will do. Okay, help me to note down the function.
Yes, sir.
What's the function?
Sir, f of x is equal to
F of x equals
cos x if x greater than or equal to 0
x greater than or equal to 0
minus cos x if x is less than 0.
less than 0. So when we say that the function is continuous, whenever LHL equals not whenever LHL equals RHL, that is left hand limit exists and right hand limit exists, both should be same. One thing. After that, this limit value should be equals to the function value at the point f of 0. So because we are going to check at the point 0, right? So now what you have to find out? First f of 0 find out. So f of 0 for all x greater than or equal to 0, it will take the cos x. So that means if you put x equals 0 means f of 0 will be 1. Right. So now find out the left hand limit and right hand limit. So left hand limit is LHL equals limit as x tends to 0 minus left hand limit means, right? X tends to 0 minus f of x. So that means you have to replace x by 0 minus x. It will become limit as x tends to 0 f of 0 minus h. 0 minus h means so less than 0, right? So less than 0 means it will take the value limit as h tends to 0 cos of minus cos of 0 minus h. So now as h tends to 0, it will become cos 0, that is minus cos 0. Minus cos 0 means it will be minus 1. LHL is minus 1. Now itself you can conclude definitely it will not be continuous at the point 0 because we are getting the left hand limit is minus 1. So even you may get RHL as minus 1, but it will not be equals to function value at the point 0. Otherwise you may get RHL also different. While checking the RHL, you have to consider limit as x tends to 0 plus f of x. That means it will become limit as h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h. 0 plus h means it will take the value cos x. So it will become limit as h tends to 0 cos of 0 plus h. As h tends to 0, this will once again it will become cos 0. That means it will become 1. So both right hand limit and left hand limit are different. So that's why the function is not continuous. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. So option B, sir.
Option B is the right option. So one more problem we can complete. After that, I'll stop. Just to see this one, f of x equals x square. I think you will start. You can start. What's that? Solve this one. So easy only. X square minus 4 by x minus 2, which is equals to a. For x not equals to 2, that is the function. It will be equals to a whenever x equals to 2. Then you have to find out the value of a. And then you have to decide whether it is continuous or not at the point x equals to. So one thing is, so they are given in all the options, it is continuous at x equals to. So that means
Yes,
you find out the value of a. The limit value find out, so that value will become value of a.
D only, I think so, sir. I'll do so. Yes,
Just to find out limit.
yes, sir. D maybe.
B is right option.
B, sir.
Kirtana, she put message. Option B. You check. B is, I think it's right option.
B only, sir. Yes.
Yeah, B only. That's the right option. Pawan,
Sir,
what's the answer?
I'm doing, sir.
What's the answer, Pawan?
B only, sir.
B only. Yes, right. So then I'll end the session. So next class we can discuss next concepts. What is that? Partial differentiation and integration in this calculus. You can leave the meeting.
Sir, attendance, sir.
Attendance I marked.
Sir, I think I didn't give, sir, that time.
No. Yours only 4 are there now. I have noted down.
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one more thing I need to ask, sir.
Yes.
Sir, like, when they'll do that other subjects, sir, like core all?
Other subjects you have to ask them only. They are telling only to this one. Better you ask them only, your department coordinator. What's their plan? I don't know, because I'm not part of that.
Fine, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'll share this PDF in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Okay.